Hello, Pam. Brad here. We're on take two. So I brought up Reynolds Heating as your competitor out there. Um, Again, we're going to be going over three different things: content, backlinks, and citation. Again, quickly, content is the amount of words in your web page. Um, let's get you back up here. Copy. So this is what's called word count. There's several different ones out there, but this one's free, and there's some other ones out that are free as well. So all I did is just take your web page and I added it in here. So you have 155 words, Pam. Um, some keywords that you're using is chamber. That's not bringing people to your business. Whitewater will. Uh, And again, over here, there's not a lot of things that are going on here. So let's go over to Reynolds. I'm trying to make this video as fast as possible since you already started watching it. So we'll go into Reynolds, same thing, just copy, oops, paste. So again, you have 155 words on your web page. Reynolds has 254. Again, Google is looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000. Okay, and here they do have some good keywords in there: heating, cooling. Health, safety is probably good. Cooling, heating, comfort. So you can see they're bringing in a few theirs. Um, let's go over here. This is what's called Ahrefs. This is a tool we use as well as we do use quite a few other ones, but Ahrefs is not free. That costs approximately $200 a month. So talking about keywords, you only have one keyword. We'll just tap on that, and it's Stritzel. Let's go over here. This is your competitor. They have 15 keywords, and they're doing is bringing in 58 people per month from just these 15 keywords. Back to you. You're bringing in around 20. So as you can see, we got some things that we can really do, or you can use this information to do it yourself and build up your web page. Keywords, again, are words that you use, like heating, cooling. I don't know if you do any plumbing or not, but that would be a keyword for plumbers. Air conditioning. These are different words that you would use. Let's go back to theirs. Let's click on their keywords. 15. So they use Reynolds Heating, Reynolds. So they're using their name a lot, which is okay as well. Blowers, LLC. I don't know what that is, but again, there's they could use a little help in this area too. Heating, conditioning, water, white waters, or air. So they're using their name quite a bit to get into their keywords. But there's a lot more in here that we can do. And again, your word count was only like 150-ish. So what we need to do is get your word count up. And when we do that, we can add these keywords in there to help bring people to your business. Now, with that in mind, we're going to go to this page. So again, keywords, heating and cooling, white water is what I use to find Reynolds over here. Um, and then you can see you're down here at number 3 spot. This is called Map It. Okay. This is one thing I'm sure you, when you search for things, you've seen this come up before. And this down here is what's called organic. Okay. And in the organic area, again, I'm not seeing your company name. Reynolds is on the second page, okay? So they're bringing in traffic, but they're going through the second page to get these people. We want you on the first page and in this spot right here. And I think that's where you want to be as well, because this is what's going to bring you in more clients. And of course, that means more revenue for your company. And we also, this is the number one spot where people search for heating, cooling, whatever it might be. So when they see this, they're going to come in here and they'll click on these spots right here. And if you're like me, you don't like to scroll through all these different pages. You can see there's at least five, probably more. Um, this area, the map it like I mentioned, this is the second spot people will click to go to your company. So let's talk about backlinks a little bit. A backlink is anywhere you find a website linking to another website by clickable hyperlinks. These links act like an endorsement for your web page from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Okay, so it's basically like a popularity company. The more people you got vouching for you, the more popular you should be. Let's go here. Okay, backlinks I mentioned, told you what they were. You have one backlink, and it's coming from your company actually. Let's go into Reynolds. Backlinks, they have 119. So that's bringing a lot of people back to their company, okay? Um, so again, this is where we want to get you. I mean, we'll get you more than this, of course, but and again, this is where you want to go yourself if you decide to do this yourself. Citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as it is on your web page. And this brings us back to this area. So this is what I'm referring to as a citation, okay? Reynolds Heating and Cooling. Their address, phone number, and again, it has to be exactly as it is on their web page for it to work. Same with you. Everything has to be exactly the same as it is on your web page. And again, that's what brings customers to you. So, in ending, Pam, um, if we can get you into this spot right here, which we can do, this is going to bring anywhere. So let's say you're getting 10% of the business now from this area, okay, for ClickBanks and stuff like that. And from here, we can boost that up to at least 50% more people coming to your website. And that's what our goal is here: to bring more people, to bring more revenue into your company. And if need be, this means you can hire more people. Um, that's about all I have for now. I just want you to know this is what I do for a living. And if you need to contact me, you can reply to the email as you did last time, or call me at 608 574 2784. And again, thank you very much, Pam, and have yourself a great